Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to be talking about the possibility of the new Model 3 performance. According to this article here, Drive Tesla Canada, and they believe that like the documentation that they received in Europe, stating that there's going to be a Model 3 performance. And because beforehand, because right now all we know is that all they have is just a rear-wheel drive and the long range, and only in China and Europe. But according to the documentation submitted here, it shows that it has a letter T in it, one of the digits in there, and it shows that dual motor performance. And according to this article stating that first they thought it was like a tri-motor setup, but I think in the end they think that they're just going to use one of the motors from the Model S or X in the front to make it faster and more powerful, and to make it a Model 3 performance. And if that is the case, this is going to be awesome. Okay, so we're just going to be waiting for the new Model 3 performance to confirm by Tesla, and we're just going to have to wait to see for it. I can't wait to see it. That's pretty much for this video, guys. Thank you for watching. Take care, and I'll see you guys in the next video.